Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishnality, founder of Apamika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims straight to success made in India. Today, I wanted to discuss with you mathematical induction. Mathematical induction chapter will also helpful Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like all state board exams in India. So today I want to explain this question with neat and cute step-by-step explanation, especially made for you. Now I am going to explain you by using mathematical induction. Prove that 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, this and so on up to n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12 for all n belongs to n. This is a question, my dear students. Aims to success solution. I wanted to explain you. Now I wanted to write one small and sweet short formula. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is a formula. Without this formula we can't continue this question. That's why I wanted to explain you starting onwards. So first of all, the given question is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on. This value is going until 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. Why? Because first term 1 square. First term 1 square. Next term 1 square plus 2 square. Again starting value coming. Next third term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So starting onwards all values are coming and next value also. So plus and so on. In the term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equals to RHS value same n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. This question here we wanted to use according to this formula. So we can write 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. Formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is a formula from this one is equal to RHS will be same n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. So we got nth term. So let complete this value. You can write it as let s of n is identical equals to complete this value 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is equals to RHS value n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. So according to formula we got it at the term. So next start our journey. If n is equals to 1, then s of 1. I am taking LHS. LHS means nth term is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here you can substitute n is equal to 1. We get 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 6. Here we can simplify, my dear students. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 6. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 by 6 is equals to equation 1. Now I wanted to take RHS. RHS value is n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Here also I wanted to substitute n is equal to 1. We get 1 into 1 plus 1 whole square into 1 plus 2 by 12. This is 1 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 2 2s are 4 into 1 plus 2 3 divided by 12. 4 3s are 12 by 12 is equation 1. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Next if you get LHS is equal to RHS, you can write it s of 1 is true. Now I wanted to find it. Now I wanted to go to suppose that s of k is true. Suppose that s of k is true for some k belongs to n. How to write s of k, my dear students? We can write s of n is equal to k. That is s of k is identical equals to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on. n की जगह में k लिखना. k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 is equals to RHS में n की जगह में k लिखना. k into k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 by 12. Next क्या करना? एक important start step है. Adding k plus 1th term on both sides in s of k plus 1th term. So how to get k plus 1th term? I will tell one logic. If you follow my logic, you will get 100% correct k plus 1th term. Take nth term. Okay. Next substitute n is equal to k plus 1. Okay. Now simplification. One more time I wanted to tell you, take nth term, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 and simplify. We get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is nth term. Here you can substitute n is equal to k plus 1. To get k plus 1 term, nth term में k plus 1 n की जगह में substitute करना. We get k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6. Simplify करें तो k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k 2k आता ना, 2 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 आता ना, 2k plus 3 by 6. ये value add करना. कहाँ add करना? On both sides in s of k. We get s of k value क्या है? 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 plus a value add करना. k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 by 6. RHS value equal to k into k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 by 12 plus adding value k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 by 6. After adding k plus 1 term in LHS, you can leave this value. Only you can simplify RHS value 12 and here second term is 6 only denominator value. So 2 से multiply करना, 2 से divide करना. Multiply and divide by 2. Total 6 2s are 12. We will get 12 is LCM. 12 and 12 matching. We get numerator value k into k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 plus here also 6 into 2. 12 and 12 matching. So multiply with 2. We get 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3. Now we can check it which value is common here. Which value is common here? K plus 1 is common and k plus 2 common. Now I wanted to take k plus 1 into k plus 2 is common. The remaining value is k and k plus 1 whole square. One time of k plus 1 went outside and one more value k plus 1 after that place. Remaining value 2. K plus 1 k plus 2 went outside common. Remaining value is 2k plus 3 divided by 12. Next normal simplification. We get k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k into k square plus k into 1 k plus 2 into 2 k is 4k plus 2 3 are 6 divided by 12. This can be written as k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k square. 4k plus k is 5k plus 6 divided by 12. Now this is a quadratic equation in terms of k. So find factorize first number into last number. 6 into k square is 6k square. Now you can write like this and the middle value is 5k. Take any two values you can add. You should get 5k. Same two values if you multiply you should get 6k square. So here if I take 2k and 3k, I am verifying 2k plus 3k is 5k. 2 into 3 6k into k square. So 2k plus 3k is 5k. 2k into 3k 6k square matching satisfying at a time two conditions. So we can continue. So now I am writing here k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k square plus in the place of 5k I wanted to write it to 2k plus 3k plus remaining 6 as it is divided by 12. Normal simplification my dear students. This can be written as k plus 1 into k plus 2. Here from these two bracket two values k common remaining value k plus 2. From last two values 3 common remaining value k plus 2 divided by 12. Next k plus 1 into k plus 2 into from first and second bracket k plus 2 is common and the remaining value k plus 3 divided by 12. Next this can be written as k plus 1 into k plus 2 is repeating two times, so now I wanted to write k plus 2 into k plus 2 whole square into k plus 3 by 12. This value related to RHS I wanted to write k plus 1, k plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1 whole square and k plus 3 can be written as k plus 1 plus 2 divided by 12. According to our RHS n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. This is RHS. You can verify n की जगह में k plus 1 है, n की जगह में k plus 1 है, n की जगह में k plus 1 है. So here we are satisfying n is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 whole square into k plus 1 plus 2 by 12. Satisfying means my dear students you can write s of k plus 1 is true. By the mathematical induction the given value s of n is true. My dear students, if you satisfy with my explanation, if you wanted to practice like this type of more and more questions, you can check playlists are there in the description box. So this description box is below of this video. In that description box you are having so many shortcut playlists also there, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise. If you follow those super shortcut tips and tricks solution within fraction of seconds, you will get 100% success for competitive exams also like IIT JEE Mains, NCET, KCET, with BITSAT, like all competitive exams in India. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.